create a new page, copy up all these blocks, re-add all these blocks into your new page, and make the changes, make the content changes, and then you will publish this page, right? That's how traditionally you do it. Let's go one step further. With duplicate page plugins, you can duplicate this page, keep the structure as is, but still would require you to add the content, add the images and all those things, rephrase everything based on what you want to do with this page, right? With these two options, if we look at the time comparison with the manual clone, you'll spend about 2.8 hours. So less than 3 hours. So even if you do it with the page plugin, with duplicate page plugin, you'll spend 45 minutes to 1.5 hours. It's still a lot. If you evaluate your hourly fee, that's a lot of time that you would waste. Now, let me tell you something which can do this within like 2 or 3 minutes. So with WPadmin, you can cut these hours of work into just a few minutes, right? And what you have to do is you just have to put in the actual details of this page, like make a clone of this page here, repurpose the wordings to the receivers. So let's say I have this pricing page on my website built by multiple complex blocks, and I want to duplicate it and repurpose the wording as per the business users. So what WPadmin does, it'll scroll through this pricing page, will ask you questions and get the plan ready, and the implementation it can do within 2 minutes. Let's see how it goes. It's ready with the plan, what it's going to do, and you only have to give it a read, make sure it's everything perfect, and hit implement this plan. And it's going to start working to implement the whole plan. All right, so it has created a new page already, and it just worked for 2 minutes and 38 seconds. Now, if we look at the new page that it has created, it's going to be exactly the same page, but you can see it's different wordings, and it repurposed automatically for business users, just like I instructed. So yeah, with the traditional way, you have to spend hours, up to like 2 hours, best case scenario, worst case scenario is 3 hours or more. And with WPadmin, you can do the same thing within like 2 minutes.